Vyaire is a company that concentrates on respiratory products. We have over 20,000 products in our portfolio. As a company that focuses on respiratory products, obviously a respiratory pandemic really had a big impact on us. We have products that can help people like ventilators. As we scaled up, we really came together on all levels of Vyaire, from the people, the process, the technology. Everything had to really come together to drive massive scale at hyperspeed. So for example, we had one ventilator line that on average we produced about 30 ventilators a week. We had to scale that up to around 600 a day. And that became our actuals, and that was done within about a 60 to 90 day period. So that was done through partnerships. It was definitely also carried out on the back of comprehensive technology. So having all of these things within AWS definitely helped us to hyperscale up. They helped us through the migration of taking some of these antiquated systems into the cloud and then really going through the code on them and making them work. So we did have some workloads on Azure. When I started here, we had a bit of the workloads on Azure, still probably 70% of our workloads on-prem. So at the time, there was still kind of open for evaluation. I think there's a lot of advantages that AWS brings, both in terms of their technical capabilities and the way that the services are built and deployed and utilized. We've also learned a lot about the different services within AWS. There's such an expanse and broad level of services. You have over hundreds of services that, every time we felt like, well, we might need to do this or augment something in our systems or change, it was pretty easy to pick up a service and integrate it in. AWS is a leader in the market. You're always going to outpace companies like me in terms of building new technologies and having them available. So being able to be kind of in that ecosystem, to be able to leverage that and tap into it, I think is for me, again, I think the best term I can come up with is future-proofed. It just enables us to pivot and move and scale up, scale down, scale left, scale right, whichever way we need to. Vyaire and AWS together have saved lives.